Jack here, and I've got with me the LoudMouth zippered pouch for handheld microphones. These are the wired microphone version. They're microphone bags. It is a 3-pack, and the listed dimensions are 9.25 inches by 5 inches. We're going to set 2 of these aside and just take a look at one. Once you remove the pouch, you'll be able to zip it open, and you'll see there's a nice felt, foamy yellow inside that's very soft and very smooth. For size comparison, I've got a standard Shure type SM58 microphone, and if you take a look at that, there's plenty of room for the microphone with the clip fully extended. I'll go ahead and insert this in to give you an idea, and it does bulge the case open a little bit, but once you zip it, it will be nice and closed with no problems there. We'll open this back up, and I do have a tape measure to show you exactly what the dimensions are. Now do keep in mind this is the wired microphone version, so it's for wired handheld microphones. It is not for the wireless microphones. You might want to look for a separate pouch for wireless microphones. These would fit wireless body packs, but wireless handhelds tend to be significantly longer than wired handhelds like this one. So for your measurements, take a look here. Just over 9 inches long, about 9 1/4 as they said. The height just at 5 inches. Thickness on its own is about 1/2 inch, but if I extend this as far as it goes, you're looking at about 7 inches, but I don't know that you'd get it zip closed if you pushed it all the way out to 7 inches. All in all, I think these are very high quality pouches. I think they'll stand up a lot better than some of the pouches that you get free with the microphones, especially considering how nice and soft and just squishy this inside is. If I could jump in there, I would. But all in all, like these pouches, the zipper is really nice. Got the nice little pull taggy on there. And it's really convenient that it's a 3-pack. So if you're looking for an upgraded pouch for your microphones or other small, fragile, sensitive items, these LoudMouth pouches are a good option. Thanks for watching.